In Convention Master, you can optionally enable Cashbox control. What this means is that you're optionally enabling a traditional cash control system like you would see at a grocery store or a regular store, where we're actually recording what transactions transpired in a particular user's session. In order to enable Cashbox control, first of course you need to log into your Convention Master system. And if you are the accounting person and you click Cashbox Management, you can see a big large warning dialog that says Cashbox control has been disabled. This would happen during the year because during the year you don't really have cashiers with cash boxes. You would just be doing pre-reg process payments or online payment processing. When you get to the convention, it's important to turn on that Cashbox control system. To do that, you go into Admin Event and click System Settings. At the top here, there's a pull down that says Cashbox Control. And there's two options with it: Cashbox System Available or Cashbox Required for Payment Processing. The best option is to make Cashbox Required for Payment Processing. At that point, that error message will go away. What that means is that nobody will be able to use the Art Show cashier or the Constore cashier or the regular registration cash register without being assigned a Cashbox. If you just enable the system, what will happen is people who are assigned a Cashbox must use it, but those who are not assigned a Cashbox can go ahead and process transactions anyway. And the disadvantage there is that if you forget to assign somebody a Cashbox, they could just free roam and do what they need to do. So at convention, I always recommend that you make sure that Cashbox control is required for all transactions. Thank you for watching, and hope you enjoyed this lesson on enabling and disabling Cashbox control.